Hey guys, here Brandon with Firm 360, going through a short demo here of the different aspects of Firm 360 and the different platforms we've got here. So we'll save the dashboard view for last. We'll come down to our client view. This is where it shows all of our clients. In here you can search. All of these tabs will be searchable by word in the top right corner, and you can have search criteria here that you can actually narrow down your search criteria. You can click on the client here. It'll show federal ID numbers, addresses, all these data boxes. Really cool thing that we've tried to integrate here is you can have your contacts all in one place. Activities, this is where we record activities where we emailed or called clients or vendors. Projects is really powerful. This is where we set up the projects for our clients. You can see here they've got a tax return, individual return, 2018 tax return, and a bank reconciliation. These are not real projects. They're just made up there, but you can see who the project's assigned to down in the bottom of the project area, who it's assigned to, and all those data fields. And this is really quick, guys, just something that you can just kind of get a 30,000 foot view. We'll dive in deeper later date. Documents, you can see the documents here for each client. You can click on the red PDF button and it'll preview the document. Really neat. Also, the document, you have actions. You can view it, edit it, copy it, check it out, download it, and or send it to the client, which is really neat. Billing for the client, as well as invoices. You can see all the prior invoices here. You can view the invoice that was sent out there. You can email these out, edit, record payments, or download, etc. Coming down to the projects tab, this is where all the projects for the entire organization are listed and for all clients, and you can narrow those down by the search box there or by this search criteria here. If I want to see what's assigned to me, then I can see these. If I want to see what's assigned to another team member, I can click assign to, and then I can select Clay Lehman and apply, and it'll show me all the stuff that's assigned to Clay. So really neat feature there. Tasks are like checklist items, if you will. We use them to make sure that the team members have completed the objective steps that we like them to. Documents here, all the documents in the entire firm are here. You can search by client or search by document type, location, year, period, end, date, range, etc. We have a time tracking. This is where the team members enters all their time here. A description, you select which category of document or category of time, that you're dealing with, plus the hours there. That converts over to the billing tab, where it would show the time in here for each client and which staff member put the time in and how much time they spent. We can preview the invoice here and make changes to it and preview it. And then when we're ready, we just click the invoice button, and that's there. Really quick, really efficient invoicing throughout the whole firm. The invoicing tab shows our prior invoices and what's received last year and what's due, etc. Got a sales lead feature where if a new client calls in, you can place them in the leads. Timesheet reports, these are very minimal reports. We've kept it really simplistic to get you what you need, but nothing overkill, nothing too complicated. We can design anything that a client needs at the time they need it. Client time, payments, and accounts receivable. This platform is extremely efficient for accounts receivable, so it works really good, showing what's current and what time period you do. You can export from CSV files, etc. And then down in the admin section, we've got the users. We can change that. Settings, of course, we can change settings, and customizations where you can change your delivery methods, entity types, task templates, and that kind of stuff. And then also we're integrated with an online payment processor, Stripe. This is where we'd set that up. Lastly, on the demo today, the overview is the dashboard. So this dashboard is where the team members spend their time. It's personalized to the user that's logged in. You can see here that my open projects, I've got 2. If I were to give you an example, let's say Clay was working on this nonprofit tax return, and he was done with it, and he's going to route this to me for review. We select Brandon for review, and we click save. And then when I'm back on my dashboard, you now see that I've got this nonprofit tax return on my dashboard for review. When I'm done with it, ready for processing, then it's as easy as status, change it to processing, assign it to whoever's going to process it, and then click save. And then you'll notice that it comes off of my dashboard because it's no longer in my possession. So now you see it's gone there. Really helpful, really good project management, really nice timekeeping, invoicing, document management. This is the efficiency builder that we've all been looking for our firms and our organization. So thanks for taking time out today to see it. You can email me if you've got questions. Brandon, BRANDON, at myfirm360.com. Brandon at myfirm360.com. And love to take some time to dive in a little deeper